everyone, it's Veerle and I'm back with my latest journal. It is more of a lapbook kind of journal with, well, two journals inside, so it's a folio lapbook thing. It's dog themed, and I wanted to make something because I take a lot of pictures, so I wanted to also to be able to put some pictures of the walks that I do with my dogs or daily stuff. I wanted to keep track of things and print out some pictures. I bought myself this mini printer, Canon mini printer, Zoom Mini, and I'm going to try that out. I haven't printed anything yet with it, so I wanted to wait until September, so then I can start the first journal is like September, and then the second one is November, and then for December I will make another journal, and so on. So this is what I made, and I put what's the word? A dangle thingy. And this says, I love dogs, and there's a bone on here, and the sun, and some other stuff. So yeah, let's open it up. So then you have this, like it opens and opens and opens. So I was really liking these dogs. So normally I don't do anything really colorful, but yeah, I did this time. For me, anyway, it is quite colorful. I'm just first going to show you the one side because it's quite big, so it doesn't fit the camera. So bear with me. This is yeah, a flip kind of thing, and I've put all kinds of ephemera here that I can put into my journal. This has a magnet closure, and then this is actually the journal, so you can shove it in here and then you can take it out for writing. So this is quite plain. I did some stamping, and I've put like these papers here so I can put a picture on there, because they are like really small, those pictures of the printer. So, but that's okay. Envelope. This opens up. You can write in it, put a picture here. I will put this in my cupboard in a basket with washi tapes and glue and everything. So lots of stamping, pocket, and this is a belly band. This opens up. Another pocket. This was actually a full-sized paper with 3 rows of dogs lined up, but I just cut it. So this is a bit glued down. And that's the first journal. Just gonna put it back in. Then here we have some flips, and this is like a harmonica pocket thing. I don't know if it shows well. Anyway, I've put these tabs in it. There are 3 pockets with 3 of those, so you can put picture, you can write, whatever. And then behind here there's another pocket for a bigger tag. And these also have magnets, so they close in a good way, keeps everything together. Then here we'll go to the second part. Well, this is the middle part. This is an envelope with another envelope. Here is a card for writing or putting a picture, and I have all kinds of papers leftover paper thingies. I can put one of those pictures that I took on them and then just glue them in my journal. Same here, still some more pictures, so that goes back in. It's always a bit when you do it on camera. Okay, there's another card here. Then also here in the pocket we have those ephemera thingies for decorating, and there's also another tag. Then we have these 2, well, not 2, there are a couple more journaling cards, and I just put them in the pocket so I can put them in a journal that I like. And we have this. And it's funny because I took a picture of my dog with a bow tie. So obviously that picture is coming in the journal. Moving on, this is another flip out thing with a magnet closure. We have a big tag in here. And then we have another one of those harmonica pockets. So that closes. And then we go to the last journal. We take this out, and it's a similar thing as the other one. It's not, you know, very special. It's the same idea. So this one is really meant for writing and keeping track of my daily things. So another pocket here. So that's it, and it goes back in here. And that's it. It closes. And that's my dog journal. So from Monday on, I can start writing in it, and I'm looking forward to it. I will check the mini printer, and yeah, if I have time, I'll start on the next journal. Thank you for watching. Bye.